9.6 in your textbook. Come to page number 9.6 in your textbook. Okay, before we go to problem 2, come to page number 9.7. Illustration number 3. Come to page number 9.7. Illustration number 3. Suppose salaries paid during the year 2012 were 23,000 rupees. The following further information is available. Salaries unpaid on 31st December 11, 1400. Salaries prepaid on 31st December 11, 400. Salaries unpaid on 31st December 2012, 1800. Salaries prepaid on 31st December 2012, 600. So you are given information about outstanding at the end of 2011 and you are given prepaid at the end of 2011. Not only that, you are given corresponding figures, outstanding for 2012 and also prepaid for 2012. Calculate the amount to be debited to income and expenditure account in respect of salaries and also show necessary ledger accounts. And they are saying, suppose salaries paid during the year 2012 were 23,000. So you are given amount paid, you are given opening prepaid, closing prepaid, opening outstanding, closing outstanding. You are required to find out what? Calculate the amount to be debited to income and expenditure account in respect of salaries and also show necessary ledger accounts. Can you do this problem?
Yes, sir.
I will give you 1 minute time. Please prepare the salary account and ascertain how much amount should be debited to the income and expenditure account. Quick. Then I will solve the problem on the board. Only 1 minute. You only have 1 minute time. Half a minute up. Don't see the answer and tell me now. What, Shaman? What? You said something I could not hear, Shaman. Very good. Time is over. Because your hand should move like lightning. Solve the problem like an F1 racer. Write down salary account, debit, credit, opening prepaid. How much? 400. Opening prepaid is 400. Opening outstanding. How much? 1400. Paid during the year? Through cash or bank, how much? 23,000. Closing outstanding 1800. How much? 1800. And closing prepaid 600. Balancing figure is by income and expenditure account. How much? 23,200 balancing figure. Is the expense to be recognized. Is it clear? Next, come to problem number 2 now. Come to problem number 2. Problem number 2, page number 9.6. During 2012, subscription received in cash is rupees 42,000. It includes 1600 for 2011 and 600 for 2013. During 2012, subscription received in cash is rupees 42,000. It includes 1600 for 2011 and 600 for 2013. Also, rupees 3,000 has still to be received for 2012. Calculate the amount to be credited to income and expenditure account in respect of subscription. Can you solve this problem? So now what is subscription? It is an income. So what are you given? Income received in cash during the year you are given. It includes 1600 for 2011. So we have received 42,000. Out of that 1600 rupees is belonging to the last year. That means last year there was some receivable amount. That amount has been collected during the current year. That means that 1600 rupees was opening receivable. Next. And 600 for 2013. Out of the amount collected, we came to know that we have received subscription fees of next year also during the current year itself. That is closing received in advance. Also, 3,000 has still to be received for 2012. For the year 2012, we have not been able to collect 3,000. Closing outstanding or closing receivable, closing accrued. Calculate the amount to be credited to income and expenditure account in respect of subscription. So you have to prepare the income account. Let us prepare it quickly. Many a times a question is asked in IPCC level. Subscription account calculates subscription to be recognized in the income and expenditure account. Even in the last attempt they asked for a 4 marks question. So if you get subscription account problem for 4 marks now, you should do 3 marks in the exam hall and then start the problem. At least in your bench itself you should do 3 marks. Subscription account. Subscription account. Now listen to me. During 2012, subscription received in cash was 42,000. Please tell me what is integrated when you receive subscription in cash. Cash or bank account, debtor to subscription account. By cash or bank. 42,000. Now when we analyze the subscriptions received, we came to know that out of 42,000, 1600 was for 2011. That means at the end of 2011 there was some receivable amount which was collected during the current year. So there was some opening receivable. Where do you show opening receivable? Debit side. To opening receivable. How much was there? 1600. Opening receivable 1600. And when we analyze this 42,000 further, we came to know that out of this 42,000, 600 belongs to the next year. 600 rupees belongs to the next year. Income received in advance at the end. It is belonging to the next year. So received in advance for the next year at the end. 2 received in advance at the end. How much? 600. See, out of the amount collected, if you have collected last year's income, it cannot be shown in this year's P&L account. That is what we are saying. Out of 42,000, remove 600 because it belongs to last year. And then we are saying out of 42,000, 600 belongs to next year. So we are removing that 600 also. So where are you removing? You wrote this on the credit side, you are writing these two items on the debit side. That means you are removing it. Next, subscription receivable for 2012 at the end, how much? 3,000. Also 3,000 has still to be received for 2012. Subscription receivable at the end. Subscription receivable account, debtor to subscription account by closing receivable. How much? 3,000. Even though we have not received it, based on accrual concept, we have to show it as income. Next. That's it. Do you have any opening received in advance? By opening advance. NIL. Nil. So what is the balancing figure now? How much amount we are going to show it as income in the profit and loss account? Not the P&L account, income and expenditure account. How much? 42,800. Is the income to be recognized in the profit and loss account. Is it clear, everyone? Now let us go to start solving a full-fledged problem.